Harsha joins us on this entire issue of loan moratorium. What are the borrowers saying there in Rajasthan, Harsha?
Well, I tried to speak to people from the tourism industry because remember, tourism was the thriving industry in Rajasthan. It was among almost 22% of the service sector, second highest revenue earner for the state government. And from being top of the charts, it's gone to being absolutely zero because no one is traveling, foreigners are not coming in. So what is the situation with a lot of hotel owners, restaurant owners? Well, quite dismal actually, because a lot of them had taken loan. Looking at projections in tourism, they did not expect this. The business forecast is very, very bad. Business is down to 6 to 8% of what it used to be. And the problem is that the loans have to be repaid. The moratorium is merely an extension. What hotel owners and restaurant owners say is, till you don't actually give us 2 years moratorium, it doesn't work. Secondly, what they also are asking the state government is, you're still charging us full rates of electricity. You're still taking bar license fees, the entire license fees. There is no rebate on standing license fees. So then how does that really help the industry? I spoke to Mr. Kuldeep Singh Chandela, a respected name in the industry. He's also president of the Hotel and Restaurant Operators Association in Rajasthan and himself owns a restaurant, a very popular restaurant, and also several hotels. Let's listen in to what he said.
Due to this pandemic, the losses what we have incurred, all the projects are at hold, business is not coming. So only hope from the government was that they'll give us some moratorium and interest-free moratorium. But whatever the moratorium was given for a couple of months, interest is going to be charged on that. And what recently we have heard that they are going to extend it for 2 months and 2 years also. If they do it 2 years, yes, we'll get breathing space, we'll be able to do business. Once the business comes, we'll be able to save some money to pay the banks. But then interest on interest will kill people. So there has to be some policy where interest should not be charged by the banks. RBI should come and help banks also. And then moratorium should at least be given for 2 years. Business, yes, business, we had to open it. We had to give boys some work. But there is no business as such. It has come to 6 to 8% of what we were doing. So there is just nothing. By opening your hotel or restaurant, you are losing money on it because you have to pay electricity. Our state government is charging us electricity, which is a very, very heavy thing because there is a fixed charge also. We have been requesting government to give us rebate on the fixed charge also and to charge us on industrial rates. Because ultimately we are a tourism industry. Like somebody has got 7 crore loan, for example, he's paying at least 8 lakhs or 8.5 lakhs a month. So now this is too much. Nobody can do business of 8.5 lakhs to pay the loans, whereas you've got at least 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs for electricity and then a lakh for your bar license fee. It is just not possible for anybody to pay and to survive. Therefore, we are requesting government to give us at least 2 years time, moratorium without interest. Don't charge us bar license fee. For the tourist transports and all, don't charge them any taxes at the moment, taxis or buses or anything, because people have invested money into the transport, they don't have business to do, and they are there, they have to pay the bank loans, they have to pay the drivers. It is a very, very bad situation. I just can't explain it to you because entire industry is bleeding.
Especially tourism.
Tourism is one industry which was 6 to 8 to 10% part of the GDP, national GDP. In a state, if you say, then 46% of the service sector, 22 comes from tourism. 25 to 30 lakh people are employed in tourism.